UI automation testing has evolved from Selenium scripts to smarter tools like Cypress and Playwright. But the core problem remains: scripts are fragile, costly to maintain, and slow to adapt to UI changes. LLM-powered automation is changing that, making tests context-aware, self-healing, and adaptive to evolving interfaces. Today's web apps are dynamic, with rapid UI updates, component-driven designs, and fast release cycles. A tiny DOM change can break dozens of tests. QA teams end up spending more time fixing old tests than creating new ones. Scaling coverage without scaling effort feels impossible. Large language models like GPT change the game. They can understand plain English scenarios, generate Playwright or Cypress scripts, fix broken selectors automatically, and even summarize failed test runs with improvement suggestions. This isn't a vision, it's already happening. Traditional automation struggles because frequent UI changes break selectors. Maintenance consumes up to 40% of QA bandwidth. Scripts don't understand intent. Skilled engineers become bottlenecks. Slow, flaky test suites block CI/CD speed. LLMs solve these problems by turning plain English instructions into working code, healing broken selectors instantly, building assertions from natural language, analyzing failures and suggesting fixes, understanding complete business flows, enhancing existing frameworks instead of replacing them. Integration requires 3 layers: prompt engineering, reusable, structured prompts with few-shot examples. API-led pipelines trigger LLM services via GIT hooks, CI/CD, or chatops with built-in validation. Human-in-the-loop, review all AI-generated scripts before merging, and refine prompts through feedback loops. LLMs have risks: hallucinated code, overfitting, data exposure, instability, and misalignment with your standards. Mitigation means sandbox testing, prompt variation, secure environments, version control, embedding coding guidelines, and using AI as a co-pilot, not a replacement. The future isn't just faster test creation, it's intelligent automation that adapts and evolves. At Testrig Technologies, we've moved from exploring LLMs to operationalizing them, improving speed, resilience, and quality across live projects. Here's how we're doing it: generating Playwright and Cypress scripts directly from requirements. Bootstrapping frameworks with prompts. Using AI with Allure to analyze and summarize failures. Integrating with CI/CD and Slack for instant team updates. Crafting stable prompts to reduce flakiness and improve locators. This isn't theory, it's delivering real-world results. Get in touch with us to explore our AI-based automation testing services and see how LLM-powered automation can transform your QA process.